Me keep telling the items that Mark Golden is a racist bigot. Mark Golden not like black people. I'm just a use, He has an agenda. He have certain things, desires where he want to fulfill. Mark Golden, the son of slavers, not like black people. He might exploit ignorance. And you can't tell these people say them ignorant because they might cuss you. But him knows say when you ignorant, that's why I exploit it. I want to swear say, when we run around and talk about time come, standing up for yourself or standing up for your brothers and sisters. And Mark Golden will not stand up with and stand up for. Mark Golden not like black people. Him thinks him better than we. Him thinks him still own black people because the slavers' blood were in him so pronounced, so potent. Him keep showing it without even knowing him show it. Or maybe him directly, want to show us. Purposely want to show us, say, yo, I'm me are the man. Me running on me own, We still belong to the British state. Technically we do. Because of them did buy we from the slavers them for £20 million and we work off another 20 million in our apprenticeship. Mark Golden proud of his slavers ancestors. Him always talk about him slavers ancestors, them, the Levy them, and the Logan them, and the Tyson them. The Tyson them did one slave. The Logan them left all will, with slave upon them will, according to reports. So Mark Golden is not just like an ordinary white man way, that have no ties, to slavery via bloodline. He's a direct descendant of the people who enslaved our ancestors them. So I think him know this and him believe say we inferior and him superior. What I mean by 72 hours are there's gonna be action all over Jamaica? What that mean? What I mean by make we get wicked pan them, make we get busy and get wicked pan them because we not gonna get up so easy as labor rights. What do you think that mean? All I want to do is try explain that and about say no. It means say, yo, we have to step up the pace. It means say we have to get wicked pan them. It just means say, we have to go get, more aggressive with campaigning and railway. No, it don't mean that to Mark Golden and not try interpret something where Mark Golden not even care about. Mark Golden care about power and he want to show say him powerful. That's why I talk about junglers have my back, And the junglers them give me a strength and him a bend up him mouth like him a bad man, like him a the Dan. The junglers them give me a strength and me just kick out some people out of the party with poisonous. And we have a real man, I think Mark Golden like Mark Golden a bigot. Yeah man. Straight. What I mean by that? About 72 hours are there gonna be action all over Jamaica. Mark Golden, let me tell you something, brother. We now go back to that, bro. We now go back to no political unrest in our country. As a matter of fact, you run away when we had political unrest in our country. We now go back to that Mark Golden. Go away. Whether Jamaica Labour Party or PMP supporters, more want to hear this and more want to reject Mark Golden. We now go back to killing our brothers and sisters them over no politician or over no political party. We have different policies, that's why we stand with Andrew Wellness. You understand me? I say because we want our country move forward and we want our country be one of the country them where the people can say, yeah man, them go Jamaica and them come to Jamaica and feel alright because of that the song say we want to fulfill that what Bob Marley say. Come to Jamaica and feel alright. We want our citizens them feel alright. We want the visitors them feel alright when them come to our shores. Mark Golden, we now go back to tribalism in a violent manner, brother. Your host niggas them. Your host niggas when ready for line up Andrew Wellness and whip him. We now go back to that. I'm going to implore all of my PMP brothers and sisters them to reject that too. Yeah man, I know so I love PMP because I believe that Michael Manley was the man where I try, look out for poor people. I did believe that at one time too. I still believe that Michael Manley did genuinely care about poor people, It's just that he went around about it the wrong way. Because when you're in a position to make certain call, you have to think about the greater good. So I have no doubt that Michael Manley did really, really want to give people land on them something there, a house on them something there. I have no doubt in that. You understand? Yeah. But me believe say him go about it the wrong way. So when people are dead for hungry, because of your decision, then it falls on your shoulder. That's why I'm apologize. You understand me? I say? That's why I'm saying him did things the wrong way. And that's why Michael Manley, when he came back in power, him go more to capitalism. Zane? That is the reason why. So we have no doubt that Michael Manley did have good intentions. But that man and Mark Golding, he my devil. He want power. And he want power at any cost. He want power to the point where he go around and spread propaganda upon the administration and the doctors them and the medical department about a drill. Mark Golding knows that the drill no cost $3 or $4 million with all of the parts that will come with it. All the pieces will come with it. Mark Golding is no idiot. Mark Golding knows that the 150 something pieces could not be free. Him know this. And when do? Him send out Dr. Daz, it seems. And then him now make Dr. Daz go incriminate himself and face lawsuit. And you know what him do? When he go up on political platform, him don't call out the man when him say own shares in him. Not call the man name, you know. Him allow Dr. Daz to call the man name. And Dr. Daz, I hope you see this, you know, because at the end of the day, he's a medical doctor and he's a brother, you know. We love seeing him, you know. I told you know, get caught up to the point, you know, where you act like a madman, you know. Call them and use you, my brother. Mark Golding go up on platform, you know, see him protect himself. Him don't call no name. Him love you if you call up name, brother. Because him know say where him say can't stand up to scrutiny. And him know say if him call no name and say nobody own 80% shares and call a name to that, he might get lawsuit. And him nah give black people none of him wealth. Him no want no lawsuit reach him. Understand that, no man? He make my brother with try sue me for foolishness. I talk about all manner of things. And I get paid lawsuit against him too. You hear Mark Golding incriminate himself, my brother. Mark Golding using the bros. My brother Damian Crawford, Mark Golding using the brother. Big time bros. Me know no have to do, no have to do. You see what I say? I'm a genuinely rate the item star. But the white man here, I devil. I know so my devil, you know. What I mean by action all over Jamaica if Chung appointment no rescind. What I mean by that? What am I going to make people start block road and burn down place? What Mark Golding mean by that, Jamaican people? People who have a devil pan with hand, you know. So you say if I pray. Just pray harder, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And if I support you, just support harder. And spread the word to your brother and your sister. Then we now go back to them sitting there. Mark Golding run way. His father send him way when we had political warfare. Mark Golding is a protected species in privilege. Know that.